guys, this is Mark with SETZER'S World of Camping. Today we're going to be showing you the Forest River Salem FSX. It's the 178BHSKX model. Up front here you have your manual jack, LP tank. What you're going to do is just open it up whenever you're actively camping, close it whenever you're not using it. Right here you have your deep cycle marine battery. You look at the back here, you have a battery disconnect switch. You want to make sure that's on whenever you're camping. Whenever you're going to store it or not using the camper, flip it to the off switch. Come around the side here, you've got a pretty big storage area up front. Look under here, you have a stabilizing arm. There's one on both sides up front here. Right here you have your city water connection. This is going to be for if you're at a campground or at your house and you have water hookups, you just hook it right into there. Okay. This is going to be your black tank flush. So whenever you're emptying out your black tank, you plug your water hose up there and clean out your tanks. Right here is going to be the Sure Power cord. You just plug it in, make sure you twist it to the right. If you look under here, these are your black and gray tanks. These are going to be, black is for your toilet, gray is going to be for your sinks and your showers. Okay. What you want to do is whenever you're emptying these, make sure your tanks are completely full. Pull your black tank first, let it empty, then pull your gray tank out. Right, back here you have both your low point drains. These are going to be for if you want to empty out all the water out of your lines, you just open these up. They're just little caps, they screw right off. Got a cable hook up here. Onto the back, got you a spare tire. Up top here you have hookups for rear camera. We do sell them here at SETZER'S, so if you want to purchase one, we got them here. Alright, moving on from the camera here. Down here you got your outdoor shower. Just a normal shower head. Normal faucets. Alright. On this side you got your outdoor kitchen. Alright. Got your quick connect hose, grill. This is your quick connect slot. What you're gonna do is just plug it straight into there like this. Outdoor mini fridge. Alright. A couple of receptacles for the outside here. You can hear this is your water heater. Alright. What you do is if you need to empty this out, you just release the pressure. This anode will be inside here and you just pull it right out. It's going to be your freshwater connection here. This is for if you don't have any city hookups, you just plug your water hose right into here, let it fill up, and then you'll make sure your water pump's on, that way you got some pressure. Alright. This is going to be your exhaust for your furnace. Alright, now that we're done with the outside, I'm going to take you up on the roof and show you a couple things. Now that I'm up on the roof, I'm going to show you a couple things. You want to come up here at least twice a year, clean off the top, look around on these vents and stuff, and you want to make sure these are nice and sealed at least twice a year. We sell here at SETZER'S, we sell a self-leveling polymer that you can put on there. It'll seal it up nice and tight. Just want to make sure you do everything besides the AC unit. Don't want to seal around the AC unit. Shows you the outside, take a look at the inside. If you look right here, you have a panel. It's going to be for all your tanks and your battery. Fresh tank, black tank, gray tank. I'll show you how full it is up here. Water pump, this is going to be for your fresh water connection. Water heater, make sure the gas is on. Flip this switch on. Then you got both your light switches in here. This one here is going to be for your awning. What you want to do is you just want to roll that all the way out until you see a metal bar showing, and then you can stop it. So here's going to be for your slide out. Nice couch. This thing pulls down. Alright. Take these off. Got you a nice Murphy bed here. So you can either pull the couch out, sleep on it, or you can pull the Murphy bed out. Some good storage space. Over here we have a speaker. It's got Bluetooth on it. Good for entertainment. GFCI protected outlets. Okay. All the lights are push lights. So if you only want a couple of them on, you can turn just a couple of them on, or you can turn them all on. Right here you got your dinette. You can put the table down, turn this thing into a big bed too. So it's got plenty of sleeping space. If you look over here, you have an LP monitor detector. Alright. Fire extinguisher. This is going to be your furnace. Right here is your AC unit. Put that on. Now over to your kitchen here. Microwave runs off 12 volts. Okay. Hood for your oven. Alright. Oven is gas, so I'm just going to flip it on, light it. Over here you got some more storage area. Okay. See, more storage. Fridge and freezer also runs off 12 volts. Nice and big. Down here you have your breaker box. Okay. This is going to be your thermostat for your furnace, separate from the AC. If you look up here, you got your outlets and then your cable hookups. Right here is you got your TV backer in case you want to put a mount. Over here you got nice bunkhouse, some more sleeping area. Both of them do have their own USB ports, so you can charge up there if you need to. Nice sized bathroom for you. Just got a push light on it. Alright, that pretty much sums everything up. Again, this is Mark with SETZER'S Water Camping. This is your Salem Platinum FSX 178BHSKX.